In today's video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best computer case fans. Please note that the product's price and rankings in Amazon's bestseller category are based on the date that this video was made, and may change at any time. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Arctic F8 PWM. This item is currently ranked number 106 on Amazon's bestseller in computer case fans. The Arctic F8 PWM is priced at around $8. Arctic's fluid dynamic 80mm case fan is probably the best budget case fan available to consumers today. Its two-way installation allows you to blow warm air out of your case or pull cool air into your case, which is highly effective as a cooling measure. With a 4-pin connector, this affordable case fan is ready to plug and play, set up with a fan controller, or even directly control your fan's PWM with software settings. Another great feature of this Arctic case fan is the fluid dynamic bearing, which has an integrated capsule of lubricating oil to ensure that operation remains smooth and silent even at high speeds. Other quiet models typically rely on a sleeve bearing to achieve this level of quiet. However, their service life is usually much shorter than that of fluid dynamic bearings. Based on the Arctic F8 PWM's reputation on the market, we give it a score of 9.0. And for more information on this product, as well as a link to its page, check the description box below. And next up at number 4 is the NZXT AER RGB2. This item is currently ranked at number 80 on Amazon's bestseller in computer case fans. The NZXT AER RGB2 is priced at around $29. If you're looking for some serious PC customization hardware that will not only be there for the sake of appearance, but also with a quality performance, the NZXT AER RGB2 might be the right product for you. With this fan, you can get a highly efficient cooling tool that is whisper quiet and eye-appealing at the same time. And thanks to its CAM software, you'll be able to easily configure and set your lighting effects with an unlimited number of possible color combinations. Unfortunately, although the CAM software is easy to use, sometimes it can be intrusive and annoying. Therefore, before possible purchase, be aware that the fans only have RGB lighting on one side, so if you don't have a tempered glass side panel, you'll have trouble enjoying their awesome looks in the first place. Luckily, those are the only downsides of this otherwise excellent 140mm PWM static pressure fan that can bring a little bit of a special touch to any gaming rig. Based on the NZXT RGB2's reputation on the market, we give it a score of 9.1. And for more information on this product, check out the link in the description below. Taking our number 3 spot is the Thermaltake 200mm Pure 2. This item is currently ranked at number 54 on Amazon's bestseller in computer case fans. The Thermaltake is priced at around $13. This is an affordable and very efficient 200mm fan that delivers very quiet performance and overall great value for the customer. Thanks to its shaved design, it's easy to install, while its sleeved bearing ensures its durability. Its specialized fan blade design ensures a quality airflow while keeping the noise levels at the lowest possible level. Similar to other large 200mm fans, the Thermaltake has a maximum speed of around 800 RPM and generally presents good air cooling with low noise performance. Since this is a 200mm fan, don't expect it to be perfectly silent. It'll surely be noisier than, for instance, similar type 120mm fans. But still, that is more than acceptable for its dimensions. In other words, if you want a fan of this diameter, that's just something you'll have to expect. Based on the Thermaltake 200mm's reputation on the market, we give it a score of 9.2. And for more information on this fan, as well as a link to its product page, check the description below. Second from the top is the Thermaltake Ring 12 RGB TT. This item is currently ranked at number 42 on Amazon's bestseller in electric fan motors. The Thermaltake Ring is priced at around $139. The primary task of RGB fans is to create amazing lighting effects that will make your computer different from the crowd. Depending on the fan features, these effects can vary from discreet to utterly amazing, which is the case with the Thermaltake Ring 12 RGB TT Premium. This 3-fan pack comes with 16 pre-configured light modes, But also, thanks to its 30 addressable 16.8 million color LEDs and TT RGB Plus software, it allows for an unlimited number of possible color combinations and permits for users to create their own unique color combinations and even synchronize the LEDs with their music, gaming action, etc. Generally made as a radiator fan with a distinctive 9-blade design, PWM control, hydraulic bearing, and specifically constructed rubber pads, these fans deliver a silent but great cooling performance with a fan speed from 500 RPM to 1500 RPM. Thermaltake simply hit it dead center with the Ring 12 RGB TT Premium Edition, delivering both high performance and a unique looking product, as any premium product should. Based on the Thermaltake Ring 12 RGB's reputation on the market, we give it a score of 9.3. And for more information on this color-coordinated fan, you can check the description box below. Finally, at our number 1 spot is the Noctua NFA8. This item is currently ranked at number 21 on Amazon's bestseller in computer case fans. The Noctua NFA8 is priced at around $15. If you're into aesthetics when it comes to your computer components, but aren't a fan of flashy light displays, the Noctua NFA8 PWM Premium 80mm case fan might just be perfect for you. Designed with components such as your CPU in mind, this Noctua model was built to stand up to the airflow pressure demands of tight spaces around your heat sinks and the like. But they didn't neglect the visual elements of this fan in order to accomplish this level of efficiency. Not only is it fairly quiet due to Noctua's signature SSO bearing system, it is composed of sleek lines, an open design, and perfectly placed blades. If you're in the market for a smaller case fan setup, this is truly a great option. They are funnel shaped in order to create maximum air pressure, whether drawing air away from overheated components or pushing cool, fresh air across them. At 120mm, this case fan is perfectly sized for small or medium PC cases. Based on the Noctua NFA8's reputation on the market, we give it a score of 9.4. And if you need more information on this fan, as well as the ones listed above, check the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And for more information, check out the description.